This Phantom wallet, $6.1 million, all made from Memecoin launches. Not by trading, not by luck, just by using a strategy that actually works. Watch to the end and I'll show you exactly how I did it. Now I'm pretty sure some of you guys may know, I used to trade meme coins every single day, and back then I'd spend hours glued to charts jumping into coins right before they dump. And that's exactly how I lost most of my fortune, because every single time I bought in a coin, I lost money. And that's exactly when I realized the people actually making money are not trading. They were actually launching, because when you launch your own coins, you control everything from the story, the timing, and the supply. You are the guy behind the coin that is orchestrating the rug. You are basically creating a coin for free, waiting for buyers, and then cashing out whenever you want on repeat. This is exactly why I stopped trading meme coins and I started diving, because it's a repeatable system. And on top of that, you are not risking anything of your own bag because creation is free. So basically, launching your own coins is like trading, but you do not risk anything at all. You are just creating, dumping, and repeating. And by the way, bro, I want to be 100% clear that I am not selling any course. I am simply making this video for free to show you guys exactly how to dev your own coins and make some bread. And throughout the whole video, I will be transparent and I will not be gatekeeping anything. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. By the way, this whole video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research. Cap! Now, as you guys may know, the #1 launchpad used to be Pump.Fun, but in 2025, Pump.Fun's oversaturated. Too many tokens are dropping every minute, and most of the coins never even make it because there's just too much volume, there's too many coins pumping out every single second. So if you launch a coin, bro, you have literally a 1% chance to even blow up. It's fucking impossible nowadays. And on top of that, you don't even control the liquidity pool of your own coin, so you cannot even cash out the money that you make on your coins. That's exactly why I switched completely to create tokenfast, because on this platform, bro, all your coins launches directly to Raydium, and every single coin gets immediately migrated onto the Raydium DEX, which will be fucking live right away for trading, and your coin will be viewed to tens and thousands of potential traders. In my opinion, bro, and alongside tens and thousands of other devs, create tokenfast is the new launchpad to print generational wealth. But anyways, here's how to launch on this platform. You have two different ways that are really simple to launch your meme coin, and the first one, bro, is to create from scratch. So first of all, choose your meme. I would highly recommend to go on X, which is like Twitter, and look for a narrative that is trending. It could be literally anything. Just make sure it has some type of meme, like some type of aspect to it to make it funny or viral. Let me see if I could find a quick example. Neo the home robot, order today. That could be really good as a narrative because we're coming up into the future, right? And these are good. That's a good narrative. What else? Yeah, bro, you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokenfast, invent a name, add a symbol, and then take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here. And just like that, bro, you have your name, symbol, and meme coin logo, just like that, and your coin is live after these steps. But the second method, bro, is my personal favorite one because it's the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these are already trending on Pump.Fun, every single coin here, and all you have to do is just copy one and launch it instantly to Raydium. And because all these coins right here, they already have traffic, you'll see instant volume and faster profits from the start. Bro, copying coins is an actual cheat code because all these coins are already proven to go viral. Okay, let's stop wasting time. I am going to dev a coin right now, and you guys will watch it go live on chain in seconds, and you guys will see how much I make by the end of the video. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected. I would highly recommend Phantom, and then click on the refresh list button to have all the new coins. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the Pluralism or Tragent. I think I'm gonna go with the Tragent because it has it as by 4 seconds ago, 40 replies, and yeah, bro, it looks kinda decent. So click on Crit Coin. After that, ignore the warning or the block from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Every single individual is gonna get this for the first time. Click on Proceed, Confirm, I understand, Confirm, and then your coin should be copied. 3, 2, 1. No. Hello. Boom. If I go on SoScan, you guys can see that your coin is now created on the blockchain, which means the website is legit. So now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is simple. It's where we add the liquidity into your own coin so your token becomes instantly tradable on Raydium the moment it's created. Which means a lot of people are going to start seeing your coin on Axiom, and that's going to boost the sales of your coin. Okay, now first of all, it's for the amount token A. Just tap the middle button right here, which is 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under for token B, this is basically your first ever trade into your own project. You are not spending SOL for good. It's locked in temporarily to seed the market. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, but wait, when you pull out the liquidity later, you'll get that back fully inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why you have nothing to lose and you're safe. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more right than the minimum, just to be safe, and then click on Create Pool. Once again, you are going to get it back at the end, you guys will see, and then click on Confirm. After so, click on Refresh and scroll down, and boom, right below the Raydium pools, you can see that the TGen coin is now live and your profits are right here. And in fact, if you click on the refresh button right here, you guys can see that our profits are now up $200 because now people are buying inside our coin on Axiom, on GMGN, on NeoBullX, and on Photon. Click on View on Photon to see a chart, right? Or you can copy paste this and go on Axiom, it's your choice. And after that, go on full screen and let's wait for the buys to roll in. Let's go. Come on, we're already up a couple $100. This is good. Oh my god, bro! Let's go! One big buy! Oh my god, bro! Okay, let's dump the coin, bro! Fuck it! Let's go! Come on, pump! Come on, bro! 2.2k market cap. Yo, my bad guys for screaming, bro. I'm just so hyped. You guys can see the power of the Raydium DEX, bro. We created this coin for completely free, and then we're getting all these organic buyers right in, bro. Like, oh my god, bro, I love diving coins, bro. Yo, fuck McDonald's, fuck the 9 to 5, fuck working, bro. Just do this all day, bro. Like, what? Come on now. Come on. 2.3k market cap. Oh my god, it's still pumping, bro. I'm so hyped. I'm so excited, bro. Oh my god, bro. Yo, soon we are going to cash out. Now, guys, I'm going to give this coin like 2 minutes, 1 second, I don't know, 10 seconds maybe, and I'm going to be right back. Okie dokie, guys, I am back. We are pushing $4,000 in market cap and it's still going up. We're still getting transactions even though it has been like around 5 minutes. It's actually insane. We could wait longer for more buyers and for it to go higher and higher, but I want to make some money right now. So come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button to refresh your profits. And as you guys can see, guys, we are now up $1.85 thousand because we are at a 4k market cap. So click on the minus button, and then here, okay, is all up to you. Do you want to remove half of it or all of it or 75%? It's all up to you. I'm personally gonna do all of it because, you know, I don't want to waste any time. I want all my money right now. So do 100%. Click on the red button to remove the liquidity. And as you guys can see, guys, we're gonna receive like 9.4 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, 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 bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, Boom, $1,85000 on the dot. You guys can see that it's legit. You know, I'm not hiding anything, okay? It's all there. And yeah, bro, now try it for yourself before it becomes too saturated. Good luck.